Hello comrades, this is Comrade Entertainment, and today we're back with another event, the Thunder and the Fury. A thunderous roar echoes from the other side of the portal. Enemies there have remained immune to all types of damage except a shock, so be sure to equip your best shock weapon and strongest lightning spells. Enemies in this event can only be hurt by shock weapons and spells, and complete stages to end valuable sigils. So let's head straight in. And just let you know, tomorrow is Golden Madness, which recommends poison weapons and spells. It's only they will deal damage. But for the day, we'll keep with Thunder and Fury and equip our best shock weapons. Right, let's head in. So it looks like we're facing a fair amount of ghosts, but I'm sure it's nothing we can't handle. So once we defeat that outcast, we'll grab a key off him and be able to unlock the next door. And there we go. We defeated the event's boss, which is a outcast. And with that, we complete today's event. I'll just keep exploring before we finish it. Grab this loot we dropped. Make sure there's nothing else hiding in the corners. Nope. Looks like everything, so we can complete the quest. And today it looks like we'll be getting gems and gold for the 5th stage. As always, you may get something else. And the sigil shop will look something like this. Well, that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now, comrades.